What is going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video. So today's video, we're going to be throwing some headlights on the Tahoe. So last video, if you didn't see, I changed my fog lights, and I said a million different prices, but they were about $30. So those are the cheapest black fog lights I believe you could get for a Tahoe / Silverado. I think they make them for the Silverados too, and whatever vehicles, Avalanche, all of that. So yeah, so if you want to see me putting those in and you know how they look before they got in, and check out the last video. But let's go ahead and take a look at the new headlights. So again, got some more cheap ones. Let me drag them over here. So this is the new headlight I'm gonna throw on here. And before I butcher the price, again, these are just some cheap black housing headlights. Still have a silver reflector, but I believe that's gonna look a lot better than that. You know, you can already see, just to give you an idea, you know, I believe that's gonna look a lot better. So yeah, so for those I paid $77. So I believe those are also the cheapest black housing headlights you can get for a Tahoe, which I mean, again, that's nothing. $77 and can have black headlights on the front. But what's gonna make this kind of difficult, or you know, a little bit more work, is the fact that I might have to take this grill off to take the headlights off. So it may not, that should be enough room to pop the grill off, but if I can't, then, or this grill guard, so if I don't have enough room, I'll have to take this behemoth off. I'm pretty sure this weighs, it has to weigh over 100 pounds, because it's too sturdy. I know it's heavy and I don't want to have to take that off. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna have to pop the hood, and I'm gonna see if I can pop this grill off without having to take this Trail Boss grill guard off, because Lord knows how much that weighs and I don't want to deal with that. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this grill off. So let me start over with just with the directions of getting the headlights off. I got way ahead of myself, and once I looked it up, it is so simple. So pretty much I got the this is the driver's side headlight off already, and I haven't got that one off. But before I get that one off, I just want to explain how simple this is. I've never had a vehicle this easy to work on. So pretty much there's two rods, these right here. Pull those out like I have them, and then lift up and lift them out. There's two. There's one on that side and one on this side. Lift that one out, lift these two rods up, and the headlight comes right out, and you just unplug the two wires. All right, so before I show y'all how to remove this light, I want to say, do not remove the grill. You don't have to remove it. I did that, which just made my job harder somewhat, but you don't have to remove the grill to get this light out. If you have a grill guard, you might, but don't remove that. That was a mistake on my part. There's a tab down there. Right below the blue clip, you see two plastic pieces. To the right of that screw, all you want to do is push the side closest to that screw outwards, away from it, and pull on the light, and it comes right out. So I won't be able to show that because it's a tight space, but you literally push in on the tab. It's just a little pull tab. You push in with a screwdriver and pull the light out, and unscrew all of the bulbs. As you see, there's 3 of them, and that's it. So I'm finna do that, and I'll get right back. All right, so I want y'all to see the difference. So look at this side, that's all the way in. Now look at that. So that's the new ones, and I can already tell that this is gonna look way better. So That's the old ones, that's the new ones. $77, folks. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the other side on, and then we'll turn them on and see how they really look. So let's do that real quick. Okay, so this is the final result, and I'm gonna go ahead and jump to a before clip so y'all can remember how it looks before. Okay, so I just wanted to do a quick before on these headlights, just so y'all can see how they look. And these are still in great condition, but that's how they look before. So now let's take a look at the after. All right, and so that's how the lights look before. This is how they look now, and I'm about to turn them on so y'all can see. Okay, so as you can see, these are all the lights, and they work. That bottom one works, I believe. It's just, no, I think that bottom left one is out, but these look amazing. Let me turn the fog lights on too. The bulb works, it's just not the right kind of bulb, which is okay, but I'll turn them back off real quick. But yeah, so that's pretty much how this turned out. I like it. It looks a million times better than the old ones. And yeah, that was simple. So hope y'all enjoyed this install. The fitment is fine on the lights. I mean, you can see they fit pretty good. Obviously, I'm going to change these bulbs out for some LEDs like I mentioned in the last video, especially since this one isn't even the right bulb to begin with, and it's not hard to change the bulbs. It's not hard to take these lights off to do it, so it's very simple. But I love how this turned out. It matches the wheels a lot better. It just makes everything else pop on the truck. So that's gonna do it for this video. The lights are pretty bright, as you can see. So yeah, that's the install. Hope y'all like it. I sure do. And that's gonna be it for this video. So if you like the install, again, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. If you do go through that link and you buy these lights, that is going to support my channel. So I highly appreciate it. If you do that, you don't have to, it's up to you. But if you want to support my channel by buying those specific lights, if that's what you want, through my link, then that will help. So that's that. And we're gonna keep building this truck again. So that's it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I don't know when I'm gonna upload again, but I'm gonna try not to leave y'all hanging for a month. At least try to have an upload up either by the end of the week or by the beginning of next week. So I will go ahead and wrap this video up. Love how this turned out. $77. Can't be mad at all. I did this whole front end for $120, all my lights. So I love how it turned out. It's great. But y'all take it easy. Subscribe to my channel. Drop a like on this video. Comment down below what you think and what you want to see done on the truck and done with this car. So that's it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Y'all take it easy, and I will catch y'all on the next one.